So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pause all notifications here on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, simply go to your profile. So go to the bottom right and press on your profile, then go to the top right and press on those three lines. So press on that right there, then go to where it says settings and privacy. And I want you to go to where it says how you use Instagram. So right here it says notifications and time spent. I simply just press on notifications. Now if you want to pause all notifications, simply just go ahead to the top and press pause notifications, and you can go ahead and do so for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. But I'm just going to go ahead and press cancel. But there you go. That is how you guys can pause all notifications here on Instagram inside of the Instagram mobile application. I hope this video helps.